Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be making chocolate banana bread. Oh, this banana bread has been to Harvard and back, so I'm going to show you how to make this easy simple step chocolate banana bread. Without further ado, let's get into this video. This is the banana I'll be using and it's quite ripe, as in fully ripe. You can use this, you can use overripe, but you can't use underripe bananas. So this is it. The underripe banana will be quite slappy. It will be tart a little, yeah, but this one will be so sugary. It will give the banana taste the way you want it to be. I'm adding sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, cocoa, flour, baking powder and baking soda, and salt to taste. Here I have a cup of cashew nut coated in flour. I used oil first before I used the flour. The essence of this is for the cashew nut not to sink in the batter so while baking. So I'm going to pour this into my batter. And this is what my batter looks like. This is going to go into the oven at 360 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. While we're waiting for the cake to come out of the oven, please find time to check the description box below for a link on how to start your yogurt business, how to scale. This course is going to teach you so many things like how to make yogurt, Greek yogurt, granolas, coconut flakes, parfait, how to make gains, how to scale in the market, hygiene protocols, how to package your business, how to stand out. It's a course that is packed, well packed. And also visit our page so that you can check out some of our videos that are very insightful and packed with knowledge. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do that immediately, as I would really appreciate that. So let's get back to the video.